Hello, I'm David Ryman from Rymans Driving School. I'm going to demonstrate the parallel park or reverse park exercise using the Mini ahead. I'll be pulling up alongside the car, reverse parking behind it, parallel and reasonably close to the curb. Around before I move off. Get nice and straight alongside the reference vehicle. Back of my car in line with the back of that car. Set reverse gear, look around, approximately half a turn to the left, give you the right amount of steering to go approximately 45 degrees to the curb, reasonably close to the curb, stop, look around again, and then up to a full lock off to get parallel with the Mini in front. Steering off. How's that?